By teaching coding and robotics, SaskCode has the opportunity to inspire students to become innovators, driving economic growth for our province.
I remember I jumped on it right away thinking I love project-based learning, and the kids love project-based learning. As soon as they're engaged in doing something, all of a sudden they realize how much they've learned. I was blown away by all the opportunities that I could see the kids could create.
I think it's really important that, that we have SaskCode and they help teachers learn this world, but also students for the future.
SaskCode is a moment where we can rapidly inject new information into the curriculum in a way that's accessible to students, that helps give them the tools to be the citizens in the 21st century. That's unique. I've never seen anything else across Canada or internationally that does the same thing, and SaskCode's the answer.